Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to pass law exams step by step. Start by mapping your syllabus into weekly goals and commit to short daily sessions. Focus on doctrine breadth first, then deepen with practice problems and past exams. Rotate subjects to avoid fatigue and use active recall, flashcards, and timed essays to build speed. Regularly review outlines and teach concepts aloud to a peer or mirror to reveal weak spots and cement learning. Practice is the engine that converts knowledge into exam performance, so make practice realistic and varied. Use full-timed exams to build stamina and practice under the same constraints you will face. After each practice, compare your answers with model responses and note structure, issue spotting, and rule application. Tackle weak areas with targeted drills and schedule regular feedback sessions to ensure errors are corrected and strategies are sharpened before exam day. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes study breaks tidier with voice control and strong suction, saving time for focused review. It's a fun way to cut chores and keep your desk area distraction-free between sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. On exam day, approach each question with calm structure and a clear plan to maximize marks. Read the prompt carefully, annotate facts, and draft a brief issue outline before writing full answers. Allocate time per question and monitor it strictly so you complete every part. Tackle high-value or confident questions first to bank marks, then return to tougher issues with remaining time. Keep handwriting legible and cite rules succinctly to aid graders.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.